In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your Epson XP-7100 in case you're having troubles. I'll show you how to reset only the Wi-Fi module and also how to do a full reset. So let's get started. So if we go on the display over here, what we need to do is to swipe towards the right side until we select settings. Then we need to go down and you're going to have restore default settings. Click on this. And now you have the network settings, which again will reset only the Wi-Fi if this was the issue, or you have all settings, which will delete absolutely everything and the printer will be like brand new. So press yes, it will take about a minute. The printer will shut down, will power on again, and this is about it. It will be factory resetted. Leave a comment down below if my tutorial was helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.